Welcome to Dr. Tom's Throttle Therapy, and today we're reviewing the Honda CRF300 Rally. So this is the CRF300 Rally. Bought this one so that I can go green laning and off-roading because my big Triumph Tiger and Pan American are a bit big. I dropped my Triumph Tiger at the ABR festival this time and did hurt my leg quite badly, so I'm going for a lighter bike this time. So I've still got my other bikes, but you never sell bikes. So some of the mods I've done on this, I'll just take you through them. So it's got a lower seat on it that you'll see fitting in a minute. So it's got the lowered seat on it that I've just put on, as you've seen. So heated grips. These are factory standard heated grips that I had put on. Press the button, flashes 5 times, and then it's in full mode. Knock it down, and that's how you do it on this one. So I've also put my quad lock phone mount on, which on the back of my phone you can see like the slots line up and your phone sticks on there. And then also I've wired in a USB-C charger as well, so I can have power to whatever I need on there. Another extra I put on it straight away is the Puig screen. So this is just an extender bit that stops the wind, so you can take it off quite easily, lower it down. But when you're travelling on roads, it does take the wind off you, so the only wind you get is on your arms. And finally, I had the rack put on, so I can have a top box with this. So when I go to places like the ABR festival, I can actually put my box on there, strap my bag to it, and I'm sufficient for the weekend. First thoughts of the bike: when I first got it, it was very high, and really struggled to flat foot this, whereas now I've got this new lowered seat on it. Yeah, it's much better. I can feel a little more at home with it. I am going to get lower it down a bit on the suspension because it is a little bit soft on the suspension. That's something that does come up with a lot of people mention it. But yeah, do like the bike, and watch out for another clip in a little while where I'll be green laning on it. Have to take it a little bit steady because if there's a lot of people walking on here, the thing I want to do is mow somebody over. It's the bike I bought only a couple of weeks ago, and one of the things I found with this is the seat height is quite high. It's actually higher than the Africa Twin, I believe. So me being a little bit vertically challenged, I need to lower it, so we're looking around 90 centimetres for the height on the standard seat. So what I've got from SC Moto in Oregon, so shipped all the way from America, is a new seat. So I'm going to fix that and see if it lowers it. Now, one of the most annoying things about this bike, in my opinion, is that you have to unbolt the seat. There's no key action to it. And as you can see, it's quite a high bike. I actually think it's higher than the Africa Twin. So I need to lower the seat. So I've got a current seat height, fully stretched, of around 89 centimetres. So what I've got, and I've had shipped all the way from America, from a company called SRC Moto, is a smaller seat. So hopefully this should knock off a couple of inches off the seat height. Now, one of the annoying things with this bike is you have to unbolt the seats. Right, so if you need to get to the battery or anything like that, you've got to unbolt the seats. So let's put the other seat on and see how we go. Now, it's not a major problem, but it just, you have to do this. So off with the old seat and on with the new. Now, one of the bits you've got to get right is there's a little tab at the front here. You've got to slide that in as well as sliding the two hooks underneath here. So as long as you can get all that done in the same session, it should just slide on. No, it's the front hook. That's got it. So that's got it. Just bolt it on. So as you can see, and I've said numerous times, I'm no mechanic. Anybody who knows me knows this. So just got both bolts in, a little bit fiddly, didn't quite line up perfectly, but it wasn't too bad. So let's do a measure. Hopefully it's made my life a bit easier. So again, back to full ride height, and we're looking about 84 centimetres, so we've knocked off a good 2.5 inches of that seat. So proof is in the pudding. Let's get on it. Let's see. So before, I couldn't flat foot this bike, but now I can. So that is fitting the new lowered seat from SRC Moto, and we'll take it for some green laning in a bit. That was Dr. Tom's throttle therapy, and we'll do some green laning in the near future.